For the mini meatballs, I added 1 egg to the beef mince, garlic granules or garlic powder, oregano, Italian seasoning, salt, homemade breadcrumbs with lemon rind, olive oil, black pepper, and mix. Oil your hands to form the balls, it makes it easier. These went in the oven at 400 degrees Fahrenheit for about 17 to 20 minutes. For the sauce, I blended 2 Roma tomatoes and put that aside, then half a yellow onion with a dash of water, blended that, put that aside, a few cloves of garlic minced, olive oil, garlic, onion, salt, a tablespoon of tomato paste, the pureed tomatoes, taste as you go because I needed some jaggery for balancing out the acidity of the tomatoes. Add your meatballs, mix, retain some pasta water and add in as necessary. Season as you wish. I added oregano, chili powder, black pepper.